Marex was established in 1973 in Grimstad, a small coastal village in the south of Norway. Eyvin Aalrud wanted to continue Norwegian maritime traditions and build boats of precision and quality. Eyvind's sons, Espen and Thomas, have sailing and boat building in their DNA. As early as 1978, half the company was transferred to the boys, who were then 9 and 10 years old. By the time the young men took charge of the whole company 20 years later, they were already very experienced boat manufacturers. To be able to develop the company further, they needed a proficient partner. They found a group of highly qualified professionals in Lithuania. Together, they invested in and built a factory covering an area of 18,000 square meters. Within both management and production, they have professional sailors who are used to competing at the highest level. This gives them an improved understanding of quality and functionality in every detail. Today, Marex has almost 300 employees and 40 distributors around the world. Marex is not mass-produced. Each craft is built uniquely for its owner. The boats are adapted to each individual client who is able to choose equipment and materials freely. The general manager of Marex, Saulius, has a simple production philosophy. Our boats have soul. We use better materials. We put in more hours. And we build boats we would like to own ourselves. For Marex, quality is a combination of seaworthiness, design, and comfort for the whole family. The boats are famous for their consistently unique solutions and the smart utilization of space. Only the best materials and components are used. The boat's second-hand values are among the highest in Europe. An international client satisfaction survey ranked Marex at the very top in terms of quality, finish, high second-hand value, and reliability. Marex is not one of the largest boat manufacturers in the world, but still one of the most award-winning. Feedback from our clients helps us build better and smarter. With our clients behind us, we set our own course and develop new innovations. Our aim is to build the best family boats in the 30 to 50 foot category. Marex means king of the seas. That will always be our goal.